welcome again to another video of Razzor's Fly Corner. And today I'm going to be tying a steelhead fly that I used up north in Sault Ste. Marie to fish for both steelhead and for Atlantic salmon. It's a very simple fly. Actually, I used like a burgundy wine colored thread in the past, and I don't have any, but you can do it with red. And I'm just tying a simple body, putting in just a short tag, wrap that back just to around the barb. I'm using a number 4 for this pattern. Looks good there. Wrap that back up. And I'll be doing around 4 wraps just to give a little flash at the back. You know, back in the day, we didn't use much of the crystal flash or tinseled like addition to help with attraction. So this fly is not going to have that either. Gonna give that a snip. And I'm going to run this thread back up to the head of the hook. And I need to get a bit more. I forgot to snip wire, gold wire, or small gold tinsel, or oval, or whatever you have. And going to be using, if I can find it, it's right here. I finally got some of my stuff organized where I can locate it quickly. Sorry for the delay. I'll probably edit this out anyways. I'm going to go back up again. Let's get rid of these ends. Okay, so I got that tied in. Next thing I'm going to be tying on is brown wool thread. I'm going to give that a snip up here. And I'm going to be tying back and then forward again. So I want to build a somewhat of a body. Just keep the wraps tight together. Once I hit the tag, I'm going to do one turn and then back up again. Okay, then we're going to tie off here. Try to make it flat. We don't want much of a ball being developed. So I'm going to bring that back again here. Starting with my silver, wrapping away from me. I want to do around 5 turns. There's 3, 4, and 5. Give that a wrap. Then I'm going to cross the same way, 5 turns. There's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Capture that, bring it down. Okay, so I have that tied in now, and I tied it back a little bit so it's looking more like a beard. I don't want too much up here. And the next thing I will be, or the last thing I will be tying in is a calf tail. We want just around, not too heavy. A little sparse is fine. Get all the fibers out. And I want the wing to go back to around the bend of the hook. And that's all she wrote on that one.